Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have the move it voucher code, expiry, and the account logged in. Enter the code now where the app or website asks. This reserves the credit. Once done, verify the voucher value is applied to your booking subtotal so you know remaining balance. If the voucher covers partial fare, make sure your payment method is primed. This avoids delays when you confirm the ride. Now continue the process by building your ride. Choose pickup, drop-off time, and vehicle class. When you reach payment, tap the promo or voucher field and paste the code exactly, including hyphens. The system then recalculates the fare. Watch the subtotal update so you confirm the discount applied. If the app asks for split payment, select voucher first, then the card for the remainder. This ensures the voucher is consumed. Finish by double-checking total fare, ETA, and driver or vehicle details, then confirm the booking to lock in the voucher use. After confirmation, save the receipt or screenshot showing voucher deduction. This helps with disputes. If something goes wrong, first check the code for typos and expiry. Next, confirm the voucher meets route and vehicle restrictions. If still blocked, contact support with screenshot and booking ID. They can reapply credit or explain policy limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.